Guys have come to dig out the trees and get them ready to shift. Just waiting for the crane to come and pick them up tomorrow. Another one there. There's one more over there in the corner. Pretty big crane. Have they got them all yet? Yeah, probably.
Start with that far one first, eh? This one, yeah. Start with that one. What jig? You right there, Ben? Yeah, so just quite tight. Yeah, because we don't want the tree to lie over.
Can you give me your radio set, please, mate?
I've got 31.4.
31.44.
31.4.
That's what I said to you.
No, you said 34.7.
No, you had it the wrong way around. You heard 34.1, I said 31.4.
Just
No, hey, have I ever?
nice, Scott.
That's what I do best, eh? Had my ticket for a week now. Basic rigger. Looking good down. Keep coming up with that. That white polish, mate. Straight up on you. Look up with that.
Alright, beautiful. Look at that.
Yeah, that's all.
Just mind yourselves there, John, just as it's coming around, please.